can't go back, that ass back. You can't go back, that ass so.
Smart Investing Strategies for 2023 Money Management, Investing for Beginners 2023. In this video, we will discuss some smart investing strategies for 2023. We will provide beginner-level guidance on money management and investing strategies for those who are new to the investing world. Our aim is to help viewers build a strong foundation for their financial future by providing essential investing knowledge and tips. We will cover topics such as risk management, diversification, understanding market trends, and investing for the long term. By the end of this video, viewers will have a better understanding of how to approach investing in 2023. 5 keywords. Smart investing strategies. Money management. Investing for beginners. Risk management. Long-term investing. Hello and welcome to our video on smart investing strategies for 2023. Investing can be a great way to build long-term wealth, but it can be daunting for beginners. In this video, we will provide you with essential knowledge and strategies for investing in 2023. Smart investing strategies for 2023 begin with sound money management. The first step is to create a budget and track your expenses. This will help you understand your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back to save more money. Next, it's important to establish an emergency fund. An emergency fund can help you weather unforeseen financial hardships without having to dip into your long-term investments. We recommend keeping 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Once you have solid money management habits in place, it's time to start investing. One of the most important principles of investing is risk management. Different types of investments carry different levels of risk, so it's important to understand your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. Diversification is another key factor in smart investing strategies for 2023. By spreading your money across different types of investments, you can mitigate risk and potentially increase returns. Understanding market trends is also critical to successful investing. Keep an eye on market trends and economic indicators to inform your investment decisions. Do you feel lost when it comes to managing your finances? Or, are you looking for a way to secure your investments for the future? You're not alone. Millions of people worldwide struggle with these same fears and frustrations. The problem is, traditional investing methods often come with high fees and limited options. Plus, managing your stocks, bonds, and other funds can be incredibly time-consuming, leaving little room for other important tasks. It's no wonder why so many people are hesitant to invest at all. But what if we told you that there's a solution to this problem? Introducing our innovative investing platform. With our user-friendly, low-cost system, you can easily manage your investments, track your progress, and make informed decisions for your financial future. Our platform is designed with beginners in mind, meaning you don't need any prior experience to get started. Our team of experts has created a unique system that's easy to use and understand, so you can focus on what's most important, increasing your wealth. But that's not all. Our platform also offers a wide range of investment options to choose from, so you can customize your portfolio to your specific goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're looking for long-term retirement planning or short-term gains, we've got you covered. And with our low fees and competitive pricing, you can rest assured that you're getting the most out of your investments. No more worrying about hidden fees or confusing contracts. Our platform is straightforward and transparent, putting you in control of your financial future. So what are you waiting for? Join the millions of satisfied investors who have already made the switch to our innovative platform. Start your journey to financial freedom today, and see the difference our smart investing strategies can make. Take the first step by creating your account now and start investing for beginners in 2023. Finally, when it comes to investing, it's important to think long-term. Don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations or get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio that will grow steadily over time. Thank you for watching our video on smart investing strategies for 2023. We hope you found this information useful. Always remember to stay informed, diversify your investments, and think long-term in order to build a strong financial future.